Joseph Jakubowski will spend 19 years in prison after a jury found him guilty of breaking into a rural Janesville gun shop and leading police on a 10-day manhunt.
A federal judge sentenced Jakubowski to 14 years in prison, and today a Rock County judge added 5 more years to that sentence. Our Rock County reporter Jenna Middaugh is live at the Rock County Courthouse to tell us more about how law enforcement in the area are feeling today. Jenna?
Well, Susan and Eric, the Rock County Sheriff's Office says it's a relief to finally close this case, but say they are still worried about the 13 remaining firearms Jakubowski stole that have never been found.
I think it certainly was one of the very biggest cases that we've had to deal with in our history.
More than 100 law enforcement agencies from around the state poured their resources into finding this man.
So it's very nice to see the book finally closing in this particular incident.
Judge James Daly sentenced Joseph Jakubowski to 5 additional years in prison Wednesday, bringing his total now to 19 for breaking into Armageddon Supplies and stealing more than a dozen weapons, many of which are still missing.
Certainly, these were some high-end weapons. We don't like having them out in the community where we don't know where they are. We will continue to be interested in locating those.
Something the judge is also concerned about.
And when those weapons inevitably turn up, involved in a crime, and those lives are taken, we'll be looking at you, Ms. Jakubowski.
After sending a 161-page manifesto to President Trump, Jakubowski says he's still writing and plans to put a book together.
This world needs to change. And by all means, if I got to stand against it to try to make some kind of change, at least I tried.
Jakubowski says, the Sheriff's Office says Jakubowski hasn't really helped them find the 13 missing firearms. The judge believes Jakubowski knows where they are and just isn't saying where. But until the Sheriff's Office gets a new tip, they've exhausted all leads.
Jenna Middaugh reporting live. Jenna, thanks.